Scott, this OPEC deal that we finally got at the weekend, how are traders taking it?
I mean, it was definitely a bit of a surprise. Everyone expected, some change to happen, but this was much less than what was expected, Vonnie. The original cutback, a year and a half or so ago was like 1.2 million, 1.3 million barrels. So to ramp production back up, only 1 million barrels was less than the market had expected. And I think that's why we're seeing, I almost want to call it a knee-jerk reaction to the upside in West Texas. So traders are looking at this as a big surprise. And quite frankly, I see this as a fantastic opportunity to get short WTI here.
Yeah, we're at 68.38, down 20 cents today, but that's a big move up, which has caused the spread between WTI and Brent to narrow to now, what, $5.80. Yes. We have a chart here on GTV. So, Scott, you say go short WTI. Are there other trades you could possibly put on, given your view?
Well, if you certainly look at what you just mentioned, the Brent WTI spread, we were just trading $10.5 just a few weeks ago. That was far too wide. And, the thinking on that was it has to narrow. Well, it has narrowed way too quickly. So whether someone or myself, whether you want to just short West Texas or just play that spread that it might widen out a little bit, you can do that as well. But I really see the short side now of WTI because production here in the U.S., the shale production, is just off the charts, right? I mean, just a few months ago, we were looking at 10 million barrels a day. Now we're looking at 11 million barrels a day. So production here is pretty heavy.
Scott, I'm going to change very briefly to Bitcoin for just a second because we are nearing the $6,000 mark, 6,305. What kind of interest is there right now at the CME in Bitcoin?
Actually, we're seeing more volume now than we've seen in the last couple weeks. Last couple weeks has been very low volume, very low volatility. And I'll tell you, Vonnie, after seeing Bitcoin trade down under 6,000 overnight last night, there's a lot of buying that has come into the space right here. Could be a relief rally. Don't know. But I will tell you, if it closes above 62.50 today, that actually is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin here. So this could, the bears might be a little tired out here. It's obviously been a lot of headline risk, a lot of regulatory risk.
Yes.
If that's behind here, you could see a relief rally starting.